welcome back to Binkerbelle's Yarning. It is Monday, August the 12th. Holy crap, this is really getting away from me. So, Manic Monday. We have another very busy week. So tomorrow is the second block for our sampler blanket, and it will be another Jacob's ladder, but this time for crochet. So those of you that only crochet, yay, you're up. Next week will be a knit project, so hang in there. Wednesday, we're going to take a look at pain management. So most crocheters and knitters tend to get pain in their hands, their shoulders, their neck. So we'll go over some exercises and stuff like that, as well as items that would help with managing or reducing the amount of pain or changing position in order to avoid the pain altogether. Of course, Nifty Things Thursday is always a surprise, which is fantastic. On the Friday, we're actually taking a look at Darn Good Yarn again, and I will announce the winner from last week's Darn Good Yarn giveaway. We're also looking at Divinity Fibers, and beautiful stuff. She sent me a wonderful package, and you'll see the teaser for that. So, contests or giveaways, all that good stuff. We have the Instagram one ending on Wednesday, as well as the Nifty Things Thursday ending on Wednesday. On Thursday, we have the Darn Good Yarn giveaway ending. We don't have any other big ones ending yet. The Baba Bundles ones doesn't end until the 24th. The Gray Heron one ends on the 26th, and the Traveling one ends on September 7th. So I will put links to all that wonderful, wonderful good giveaway stuff in the description so that you guys can pop on that. Don't forget, you need to follow me on Twitter because there are also surprise giveaways on that, just like there is on Instagram. So follow me on both of those. Keep an eye out because they are random and surprises. Woo, surprises. I love surprises. I love surprising you guys. I love giving you guys stuff. It's absolutely fantastic. So I believe that's everything for Manic Monday because we're working on our sampler blanket. So most of my other projects are currently on hold. So that we can get those done, so that I can keep ahead of you guys. So I can also film your tutorials and whatnot. So not right now am I working on anything in particular other than this series and all that wonderful stuff that comes with it. Alright, so I'll see you guys later. Don't forget to check out the teasers for Divinity and for Darn Good Yarns, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.